Let's make a wave spawner. A wave spawner. It'll just be a node 3D. That'll be in the world. A node 3D. And we'll call it wave spawner. Slash script. Also called wave spawner. Alrighty. So what do we want? Now ready. Let's start the wave. So function called start wave. Okay. What's start wave gonna do? Start wave. So let's have a wave number. So the wave number plus equals 1. Wave active equals true. Wave active equals start wave. Okay, and then let's just print wave starting wave number. Cool. Process void if not wave active timer plus equals delta if wave timer open start wave. Okay. Okay. So if the wave is not active, do a timer, countdown, and then start the wave. If we're just in the ready, we just start the wave. It's like if it's a repeating wave, or it's on cooldown, so you go between the waves. So let's just make our count. So like the number of enemies that we want to do, it'll be enemies for wave. So enemies for wave. What will enemies for wave do? Enemies for wave will be like this. And then means for wave int. And we return it. Return what? What do we want? 2 plus n times 2. So this means what? It means that our wave number one will have 4 enemies, means our wave number two will have 6, means our wave 3 will have 8, so on and so forth. So, what is it? Wave number. Alrighty, so in our start wave, we now know how many enemies we've got to spawn. So for I count, we can now spawn an enemy. And spawning the enemy should be pretty simple. We just go function spawn enemy void like this. Spawn enemy will, if we don't have the enemy scene, then we gotta push an arrow. We gotta say no enemy scene assigned to wave spawner, and we gotta return. If of course we do have the enemy scene, then alpha enemy equals enemy equals enemy scene stage 8. Okay, free root add trial enemy. Alright, so that's probably all we actually need to do. We will need to pass the enemy scene in as a text scene. So export export bar enemy scene as a packed scene. Yeah. Spawn enemy. What are you upset? Function spawn enemy is not found. Spawn enemy. Spawn. We got a freaking type right now. Okay. Enemy. Cannot infer the type of enemy because the value doesn't have a set type. Anyways, let's just go angle equal depth. Okay, so bar offset equals vector 3 equals angle 0 angle spawn radius and global position equals global position plus offset plus vector 3 O 1 O. So we don't know what spawn radius is, do we? No. It can be a export variable. And it can be a variable. Spawn radius. We'll default it to 8. 8's kind of big. 8's kind of big, actually. 8's quite big. Let's make it 5. Cool. So the enemy's still coming in like that. It's not what we want. Go delete the enemy off there. Now our wave spawner is going to have an enemy scene. It's going to be a packed thing. How do we make it? Enemy scene like that. So that works. Non-existent instantiate. Non-existent instantiate. Instantiate. Okay. Doesn't have a yes. Boom! I spawned before and they went for me. Can't move because they're all on me. That's cool. Boom. And we run away from them and they just get stuck in the middle. So we'll have to fix that logic, but at least the spawn is working, so that's good.